Welcome to Yes channel. Remember to like and subscribe. Do you know English alphabet? Of course you do. Are you sure? What do you need it for? To spell your name and surname. Let's do the quiz. 6 people will spell their names. Try to choose the right spelling. Good luck. Are you ready? Hello, what's your name? My name is Isabel. It's Izabel. Are you Brazilian? Yes, I am. Izabel. Hello, what's your name? My name is Miriam. It's Miriam. Where are you from? I'm from the US. Miriam. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Naim. It's Naim.
It's an Arabic name, right?
Yes, I'm from Emirates. Naim.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Robrecht. It's Robrecht.
Is it Dutch?
Yes, I'm from Denmark. Robrecht.
Hello, what's your name? My name is Janae. It's Janae. Where are you from? I'm from Canada. Janae. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Archer. It's Archer.
Are you British?
Yes, I'm from UK. Archer.
That's the end of this quiz. Are you happy with your results? See you again on Yes channel. Remember to like and subscribe.